is good, guys, and welcome to today's video. You've seen from the epic intro, we are at Scuba Nissan for one of Oka-chan's time attack days. We are hoping he's going to do extremely well today, but also the competition is a whole nother level to what the last time attack event was that we filmed out here was. So it's a lot more higher caliber cars, and it's going to be very interesting to see how he performs today. I'm pumped. Let's just get into it. He's getting ready right now to head out. He's gonna slay, absolutely slay. I've got a foot cam set up. We got the overall dash cam set up. Just gonna get some cool in-car footage for you. It's definitely gonna be baller. You got this, man. Come at that. Us. Off he goes. I'm pretty sure that this is just the kind of warm-up laps. Damn, this 33 is sick. So cool. It's a good chance that the reason why that valve cover for the RB26 covers is hanging out of the hood there is that it's probably an RB30 block. Hachiroku, this Evo from last time. Man, there's some cool cars here. Woo! 11. Oh man. We're gonna walk all the way to a stand on like the other side for this big corner here. So we want to get some footage of Oka-chan smashing it through there. It's gonna be very cool. I didn't know that I could just come over and look at the back straight here like that. That's really helpful. Hey look, there's Gymkhana. Haha, that's sick. Everyone out there today practicing. Anyways, so we're at a bit of a different location than usual. I'm filming here at the back corner, which then leads into the Dunlop tire sign. Wow, man. Some very cool cars out here today. Look, there's Oka-chan again. So many cool cars. And we can hang over the back here and see everyone catch up. And this is what leads to the main straight. Man, that Hachiroku is insane. These Oka-chan's already up the front almost. Woo! This RX-7 is seriously very cool. Very aggressive looking engine bay. Looks like it's definitely ready for partying. Nice big single turbo there. The V-mount setup is fire. Just the wastegate and everything in there is super clean, and how he's made little brackets there for the steering shaft. Very, very cool. Very well thought out build. Definitely looks like this thing goes fast. And you can see through here, he's pumping in the race gas right now into the gas tank that is obviously on the passenger side to help level out the balance with the driver and everything. Every bit of glass has been replaced with Lexan. You can see he's got like a strengthening bar in the middle there to stop the bar from flexing. This is so cool. Man, very cool RX-7. The Wayne game as well, obviously, is fire. Man, I hope the camera does it justice just how fast these guys are going. Oh, music to my ears. Far out. So cool. So we just saw this 33 out on track, and he's just brought it in and popped the hood, and I was just talking to the guy, and I was like, this has to be an RB30, right? Because it's so high. And he was like, yeah, it's actually an RB34. It's a 3.4 stroked kit. How cool is that? He's done a bunch of modifications and stuff to make this fit. He had to cut and modify this strut brace so that it cleared the higher than normal valve cover, because he's also got a VCAM Pro installed on the RB26 head. Super cool. And he's done a bunch of really cool stuff to get accessory belts working with tensioners and stuff like that down there. Very unique and cool build, and just all the alloy ducting he's done here to bring it up to the turbo. Massive HKS turbo. Very, very cool build. It's insane. It's seriously so cool being able to be here and a part of this event. Like, this guy on his first run completely went off track, dug in, ripped off a bunch of stuff, and it's just everyone's come to help him clean up the car and try and get back out there. Hopefully he makes it out there. He's got one more session, but you can see there just how much dirt and stuff is all over the car. It even got inside the cabin. It was insane. And as you can see, the front end's pretty messed up. But it looks like he's gonna get back out there. Definitely a very cool setup here. Man, I love a good rotary setup. Hopefully everything's okay, nothing got sucked into the engine. So I thought this was very interesting, because it's not very often that you see a fully time attack spec Roadster or Miata MX-5. Very, very cool. Insane aero everywhere on the front. Everything is so wide-bodied out. From a distance, I didn't even think it was a Roadster until I saw like the doors and the rear. Very, very cool. Lots of stuff going on. He's got custom vents coming to the brakes and everything. It's insane. I've never seen a Roadster like this. He's running aftermarket ECU software with a computer screen he's got set up in there and a little keyboard there so he can control stuff on his steering wheel. Very cool. Carbon fiber pretty much everywhere. Massive wang game, and just look at this rear end here. Isn't that cool? Never seen anything like it before. Never seen a Roadster like this. So cool. Oh, did I mention he's also running a sequential? Baller status. I don't know why anyone would spend that much money on a Roadster. But then people also ask the same question about me spending money on Silvias and Skylines. Each to their own. Everyone has their favorite car, and it's so cool to see how much he's put into this, definitely. Listen to this thing. My gosh, that's aggressive. So after all the time attack practice is finished today, all of these guys are heading out on track for the rest of the day, because this is only like a half-day event. And it's insane, some of the cars that are here going out on track. It's actually really good to see people that buy expensive cars, for example, this Ferrari, and are gonna be out shredding on the circuit. Like, how clean is that? The thing looks brand new. Like, it's hardly been anywhere. So cool. What is this, a 458? 488. A 488? I really need to learn my exotics better. It looks nice though, hey. I'm a pretty big fan of that. I like the headlights, it looks sick. And then, what's it, there's this Porsche GT3? No, is it? Yeah, 911. And I just love that he's got the official Porsche helmet as well. I don't want to know how much he paid for that helmet. Yeah, 911 GT3. Very cool. And there's a lot of other really cool cars out here too. Some old 2000s. Oh man. This is so cool. What is this thing? I don't even know what this is. I feel like I probably should though. What is it? So cool. There's nothing to it. Absolutely nothing to it. So cool. I guess he's charging the battery up. Double charging her up of this beast. Oh man. So cool. I love the double jumper cables there. He's charging up his battery off old mate here. She's got this car idling so he can get some charge with the double jumper cables. Also, I made a mistake. It is a 458. I was right. There you go. Dude, look at this. This would be scary to drive.
I saw it driving in, I had no idea what it was.
Right? This would be scary. There's nothing to it. Like if you rolled this thing, game over. My head probably comes to here. Like there's no windshield. You need goggles for this car. You need goggles. A Fair Lady 2000. This thing is so cool. The original Z. That's so cool. Hey, S15. How does it go? How does it go? Bring us into the song. Bro, did you just ignore me?
What?
Bring us into the song.
Oh, Ichigo, Ichigo, Ichigo.
I just wanted him to do it in front of these guys. Yo, there's a cool signature there. I wonder. Oh, it's Nob's signature. That's cool.
What's that?
Nob. Tanaguchi. You don't know who that is? Yeah, we can't get a conversation in right now. Dude, I swear this was on display at the Heritage Museum yesterday. Very cool. It's got to be a replica though.
It's cool.
That's sick. So many cool cars in there. Look at this old Bluebird. Where are the cherries at? Oh man, I'm a mess. Hey, that's actually really nice. Oh, that GTR's heading out again. Go listen to some 3.4 stroked goodness. So correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but is this a Wago? Does this have all-wheel drive in it? Because if it does, I may have some luck of one day building like an EK or an EG all-wheel drive Civic out here then. I just need the couplers and the diff and stuff like that. I love this mod here. They literally got like an old drive shaft here welded on a little tab. They slide that in and they jack up off it to get the side of the car up in the air, because obviously all the aero and stuff, it's so low to the ground that they have no way to slide a jack under. So they use that first to bring the car up. Very, very interesting. So here are today's results. Oka-chan got one of the best times he's ever gotten in his car at 1.05. That is awesome. And he reckons it's all because of the new tires that he's got on there, which are prototypes of a new entire grippy, like super grippy tire that Yokohama's releasing. So he's pretty pumped that he knocked like a whole bunch of time off it just in this. Like he hasn't changed the doors to carbon or anything. The only thing he put on was the rear boot with that wing. That's it. So cool. He's pretty much done for the day. He's chilling. I just noticed he slapped on an LZMFG sticker on his S15. What a champ.
Awesome.
Tamashikatta?
Awesome.
He knows awesome. 誰が教えた? Yes, awesome. Awesome. Awesome.
Awesome.
誰が教えた? Awesome. ママが?
Awesome. 俺のコメントにいっぱい awesome, awesome, awesome.
Because of the comments on his YouTube video.
Awesome.
You guys are teaching him English with your comments. There are seriously some cool old classic cars here for today. Look at this thing. The minis are out. There's a whole bunch of them up there. And check out this S13 here too. This is a customer's car of Oka-chan's. Very, very cool. It's got a whole bunch of work done to it. And this guy's into a bunch of time attack too. It's not really much like more of a drift car. It's a time attack grip car. Very nice car. Look at all the minis. I'm gonna label this seriously the coolest mini I've ever seen in my life. I've never seen anything like it. So baller. My God. And it's thick as wide-bodied with wang game. So much wang game. The wang is bigger than the entire... Yeah, look, it's shorter than you. Who would have known? All right, we're gonna jump in the car. We gotta head.
Time for some ramen and Chinese food. Digging down.
What an absolute feast that lunch was. We had mobu tofu too, and I forgot to film all of that as per usual because I was so distracted on eating everything there. I am so full. So good. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm going to wrap it up here. Make sure you smash that like button. If you want to see more time attack stuff, there's definitely more coming right around the corner. So definitely stick around, leave us a comment. What was your favorite car there? And let's get some awesome comments. Hashtag awesome in there for Oka-chan and his little PB beat best today. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. Jamata.